My intuition is telling.
Today I'm going to be trying out two new primers against each other. So this is how this video came to be. I ordered this super new Artist Couture Prep and Glow Blurring Perfecting Primer. And I was like, what can I use that's an illuminating primer that it also claims to blur? So I'm looking through my primers and I'm like, oh, I just got this in my BoxyCharm, the Mercier Pure Canvas Primer, and this is the illuminating one. So I have not tried this, and this is newish. It's not super new like this, but it's newish. So I figured let's put them up against each other. Now, I do want to put a disclaimer out there. I am not going to be doing a wear test because I work 13 hours and I need to get some sleep. So this video is mainly going to be how they feel on the skin, how my foundation applies on top of them, and then the overall finish and look of my makeup when it's finished. So yeah, let's get right into it. I have two different eyes because I was just using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina 5. Alright, so let's try this. I tried the other one she came out with, but not the illuminating one. Ooh, that's pretty. Some illuminating primers, like, they aren't that illuminating, but this looks pretty illuminating to me. I don't know if you can see it on my fingers, but it is definitely illuminating. You know what? I don't have my phone. I was going to say I should read the claims of each. Here, we're going to figure it out. Okay, so the Mercier primer is $39. This is 1.7 ounces. And it says, okay, an illuminating water-based primer with light reflecting pearls that enhances skin luminosity and extends the wear of makeup. Okay, this is $32 for 1 ounce, and a lightweight whipped primer that creates a glowy and blurred canvas to provide radiance and longevity to your makeup. Camouflage your pores and fine lines with this lightweight primer while quickly giving your skin a healthy glow. It's packed with hyaluronic acid, vitamin PP, squalene, and vitamin E. Give your skin the hydration it deserves while extending makeup wear. Okay, so let's see what this looks like. Oh, I like the bottle, but it is kind of small for a primer. It has a little pump. I don't know if I would call that whipped, but okay, so this is definitely a thicker primer. It's definitely tacky, whereas the Mercier one went on real smoothly. This smells good though. This one is pretty radiant, almost as radiant as the Mercier, but I think that one is a tad bit more illuminating. Huh. They're very close though. But like I said, the Artist Couture is definitely more tacky. This feels like just my skin. So some people will prefer a tacky primer because they feel like their makeup's gonna grip on better. Some prefer like a smoother canvas. Okay, first I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this Milk Makeup foundation stick. I'm just gonna put a little bit in the middle. I don't know why, because I'm going to be taking this off after this video. And then I'm going to go in with my very dirty Mercier Flawless Lumiere Radiance Perfecting Foundation. And this is in 1W1 Ivory. I love this foundation. I'm going to need another one soon. Oh shoot, did I forget a foundation brush? Oh my god, it feels like there's something crawling in my ass. Sorry. This isn't my favorite foundation brush, but it's what I have here. It's the Sephora Pro Buffing brush number 70. I swear. Oh, I think it's my hair. Never mind. My ponytail extension. I feel like the Laura Mercier side looks more natural. I have dry skin, so maybe a tacky primer isn't the best for me. I mean, they look very similar, but that is what I do notice. Let me look at the pores. I do think the Artist Couture one covers up the pores better though. Okay, Laura Mercier. Artist Couture. Let me know if you can tell a difference. Alright, for concealer, I wanted to use something a little lightweight. This is the Dior Forever Skin Correct Concealer, and this is in 0N. I'm going to use this Tatcha, this silk powder. I'm sorry guys, I really wish I could do a wear test. I mean, I could sleep in it, if that can be considered a wear test. Okay, so let me take a close look. I think I like the Laura Mercier side better. It doesn't look as dry as this side does. But let me finish my makeup and I'll come back. Okay, so here is my makeup completed, and I'm still sticking to my story. I really do think the Laura Mercier primer is better. This whole side looks a lot smoother, more natural. This looks very dry, like a little bit cakey. I think this would be a really good primer if you have like oily or combination skin, but for me who has dry skin, I think it's just too drying. This was a lot more hydrating, and I did read that it was water-based, so that does kind of make sense. So actually comparing these really helped me because I do think I'm going to return it. It is a good primer and it does a really good job at blurring pores, but it just makes my skin look way too dry. So let me just do one more. Alright, this is the Laura Mercier side. And this is the Artist Couture side. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Alright, I hope this video was helpful, and I will see you guys in the next video.